Is the Honor Choice Watch 2i worth getting? Let's find out. Welcome to the Perfect Perception channel, and today we will be reviewing the Honor Choice Watch 2i to give my honest thoughts about this fairly cheap watch. Let's get started. A very frustrating thing is the Honor Health app, which the watch uses to store the data. The app tracks footsteps and calories burnt as well as the watch, and of course the phone isn't going to show the best data, so my app always tells me I did more steps than what my watch says, which is quite annoying. I tried playing around with the settings, but it didn't seem to fix anything. There isn't a section where you can see the data history from the watch only for some reason. It only shows the watch data from the specific day. Apart from this, it is a decent watch with customizable screen displays, music controls, showing the weather, making phone calls, the usual workout options, etc. I had some questions on my unboxing video which I have replied to, but I will answer them here too. It does not have NFC in most countries, so you can't use Google Pay on it, and you are not able to quick respond to messages on it. It only shows the notifications. It has all the features that a budget smartwatch would have, and I must say that the screen is very responsive, and it has a scroll wheel and an action button that you can customize on the watch. I found the data to be fairly accurate on it. It definitely doesn't count every step from my experience, but it does as good of a job of what a watch at this price would do. Okay, so overall, I don't think I can recommend this watch unless you have an Honor phone and want the cheapest watch that is in their ecosystem. The app is a big factor on why I cannot recommend it, but please let me know if there is a fix to the phone counting data as well as the watch issue. If you do have any questions about the watch, please let me know down in the comments and I will make sure to reply. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. See you there!